stuck behind a freaking student driver, man. Get the fuck out of there way, homie. I'm glad I'm going right, homie. For real though. What the fuck? She tripping. I was never that scared to drive that damn slow. God damn, y'all driving slow than the motherfucker. But what's up, y'all? I'm in Glendale right now on Farnham Grave. And what the hell I'm doing is none of y'all beeswax on Farnham Grave. So don't ask me why I'm around here. Just know we going for a little spin, a little neighborhood spin. You feel me? Nothing too crazy. We just gonna do just a little something. We gonna do just a little something, man. You know, we in the neighborhood with it. I ain't gonna lie, it's crazy. Like, this is the first time, like, it's Christmas time. And what you call it, folks? It's Christmas time and it's hot as hell. Like, shorty is riding around with the door open. Like, he cool right now. Like, it's 70, cool, 70. 4 o'clock on a Sunday. On down to the last day of November. Shit. On 4 now grade, though, boy. But yeah, I'm in Glendale just cooling, cruising. Just left a spot, little spot. Just left a little spot, so I'm like, man, let me rock with the squad, the gang. I'm Farnham Grave. That's what we doing. When this motherfucking Amazon truck get out my way, we gonna act a fool. We gonna act a fool. Hey, you know I'm flea as hell. I got the, come on, man. I got exclusive shit on right now. You know what I'm saying? A lot of niggas don't got this jacket right here. I held it on ice for a long time, too. Ain't no stop sign right here. Which is dumb as hell. It's easily crashable. That's how I come through your block, nigga. You heard some vroom vroom. It was Mako in Glendale, okay? Okay? Is this a four? It's a four-way? This ain't no four-way. It's another stupid ass street. All these streets stupid like this. That's an all-way motherfucker right here. What's this stalker right here? I can turn right here. Nobody want to see you doing better than them, though. I don't want to see you do better. But what up, though, y'all? I hope y'all cool and hope y'all great. Hope y'all groovy. Hope y'all smooth out here, man. Yeah, I hope everything good for y'all, man. Everything been good for me. I just been setting a lot of stuff up, man. The GTA server looks so raw. It's Chicago based. Oh man, we got Chicago Police Department in there. You feel what I'm saying? We got some real Chicago buildings in there. You feel me? And we probably gonna add the O block in there too on Farnham Grave. So y'all better stop tweaking. Y'all better stop tweaking on Farnham Grave. Squad. Glendale funny as hell though. Glendale is like the country, like to me a little bit. Like it's the suburbs, but it's like it look country. You feel me? But it look the cool country though. See, like country Georgia don't look like this. You feel me? Country like the real country. Like the suburbs of Georgia, the suburbs of Florida and shit, don't really be looking like this for real. It be freeways, all type of stupid shit. So if you finna turn, you gotta turn, focus on a real nigga, and I'm gonna skirt this motherfucker. Shit. What you looking at, lady? You ain't supposed to be crossing the street right there, looking at me like I'm crazy. Goofy. No stop signs out here, right? One right there. Crazy ass lady. It's always these crazy ass motherfuckers, man. What's wrong with them, man? They be tripping with me, man. Go ahead. Okay, you gonna let me go first? I appreciate that, Slimer. You know I'm gonna skirt that hoe. That's how they talk in H-Town in Texas. They be like, I'm gonna skirt that hoe. Hit that hoe. Oh, that's how they ass be. Oh yeah, we got a Porsche, white Vette, back to back. Ooh, blonde hair. We got a pretty blonde walking across down the street. That's how we doing it, baby. Come on, Beamer. Okay, white Beamer, white Porsche, white Vette. He got the pink, what you call it? Get your pink Power Ranger looking ass on. Smoke shop. That's what I need to do. Smoke. I'm gonna flame up in a minute. You're gonna drive slow, get the fuck out the way if you see a fast car behind you. Oh, Lamborghini Lamb talk. That motherfucker raw. I don't know what that was, cause I ain't no car nigga like that, but it was a Huracan Aventador or something. Shit, it wasn't no SVJ, motherfucker. I know that. Oh, is this a dude in here? Lord have mercy. Why is he driving a fucking Mini Cooper? Why are you driving a Mini Cooper, bro? I hope that better be your girlfriend car, bro. And if it is, nope, it ain't your girlfriend car. You're not even embarrassed because you got the windows down. His ass a goofy. I don't understand it, folks. I don't understand how a grown man could drive a fucking Mini Cooper. How is that? How is that so? How is that so? When thou art, no art thou, no art thou and now embarrassed of the Mini Cooper driver. I ain't gonna lie, I used to have a girlfriend. She used to have like a little, it was worse than a Mini Cooper. I'd rather have a Mini Cooper than what the fuck she had. She had like a Mitsubishi Mirage, I think it was called. Oh my God, a little goofy ass little toy looking car, you feel me? And I was broke at the time, so I was sharing a car with my homie, you feel me? Me and my homie was splitting their car note on that motherfucker. That's just how we was thugging on, bro. And what you call it? Old Aston Martin music. Y'all seen that the Aston Martin? That motherfucker was hard. You nigga with a Porsche driving slow as hell. How you getting fucked up by the Prius, bro? How the Prius going faster than you, bro? What you got going on over there, bro? I ain't gonna lie, I keep it cool in Glendale though, cause they will pull your ass over. This is not LA, boy. This is not LA, boy. They will pull your dumb ass right over. Like a little I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all right now. Next year, I'm getting me a GTR, and I'm gonna make that motherfucker spit some flames. I'm talking about some I'm talking about flamethrower. Like you better get back. Like Lethal Weapon #4. You hear me? No cap. If I drift in front of you, skirt, I hit your ass with that hee-haw-hoo. Boy, if I hit your ass with that flame, you gonna go bee-bop-boom on Bro Gray. I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be bad for you, shorty. You better watch out. I come around that corner like a real nigga. I come around that corner like a real nigga, homie. I'm ready to go, homie. I'm ready to go right now. Looking now. Y'all ass singing it with me. Look, goofy as hell. I'm ready to go, man. Let me go, man. That look like Angela Yee. Let me find out that's Angela Yee over here dating a nigga with her. Oh, that ain't her. Y'all know. Oh, go. Gotta go. Gotta skirt it. 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 I don't see no police. I go. Look out. And that's how we roll. Ooh, ooh, I ain't gonna lie, I went to a raw ass movie theater in Glendale. And that bitch was raw. No cabin in my rapping off on Gray. Really one of the rawest ones as far as like the aesthetic and like how it looked on, bro. A cool little date spot, take a little, you know what I'm saying, a little honey bunny. Little honey bunny, it ain't funny. You feel me? Speaking of honey bunnies, let me check my phone. I ain't checked it in a minute. My phone in my eye burning the sun. Oh, this shit don't recognize me with my damn GoPro on. I'm finna say, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, shit. This sun hitting. Oh, that the Glendale police right there. I can't even skirt that motherfucker. I can't even skirt how I want to skirt. Oh, he might be leaving. He finna turn. I bet you I rip my engine in front of him, see what happens. Yo, you know some of they ass be hating. Some of they ass be hating for real. You do that shit. Illegal engine wrapping. $25 ticket. I don't give a fuck. I shit on $25 for breakfast, nigga. That's what I do, you understand what I'm saying? Hey y'all, what if I made like a big ass public restroom, but you had to pay for like you had to pay like $1 for that motherfucker to use the bathroom. But it was luxury as hell in that bitch though. You had to pay like $2, $3 to get that motherfucker back. Hey, I just made easy money all day before you just come in here. Boop, boop, boop. Pay for it, 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 oh bro, great. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Up, it's the Honda Prius, the version of the whatever the fuck this shit called. What the Honda Instant? Was that what it say? Tearing that shit up, nigga. Tear that club up, tear that club up. Hey, tear that club up, tear that club up. Hey. Till the pussy nigga get back, nigga get whacked, nigga get slapped, nigga. Oh, for that. Hold on, shorty. Ashton. I'm finna flame up to this right here. Aston Martin truck about to drill. I ain't gonna lie, that what you call that shit go hard too. That Roddy Rich. I mean Roddy Rich. I said Rod Rich. Roddy Wave on phone grade. Rod Rich, Roddy Wave. Good work right there, boy. That's good. Oh shit, I got some turn right here. Oh, make sure ain't nobody coming. Cool.